Hi everybody, it's a pretty sweltering day here in Northeast PA. It's right around 12:30 or 1, so even though the garden's been watered, it's looking kind of sad. But I wanted to show you a real easy way to keep critters from attacking anything that you have growing on the ground, watermelon and squashes in particular. We grow our watermelon up because we grow small ones, and we grow a lot of squashes up too, but we do have some growing on the ground. So what I have here, I'll show you. See what I mean about them looking like they have never been watered. They were just watered this morning. This is a basket from the dollar store, probably Dollar General. That's what we have most up here. And you can see that I've cut out the handle on one side. And it's pretty simple. We have groundhogs, and they tend to come after the fruit. They seem to be able to find them before we do sometimes. But I just do that. I just cover it like that. It's not going to stop the groundhog. If it really wants to get at it, it certainly can move that basket. But it works every time. I've never had a squash or melon attacked since I started using this. So easy to do, pretty cheap. I've got a whole bunch of them. I don't know if they still sell them. You know, you could probably get them online too. But I think Dollar Tree, when you buy something by the case, they give you a discount and they'll deliver it to you or to the store for you to pick up. But anyway, check it out. It's simple. And anybody can do it. Just takes a scissors and a cheap plastic basket. You need something that's going to let in some sunshine and some rain, but mostly it's the rest of the plant that needs the sunshine and the rain, not really the fruit itself. So as long as it gets some, it will still ripen. I've done it before. It works.